Guys, are we finally back in the bull market? This is the question that everybody is asking themselves right now. We saw a massive price rally within the last 48 hours, and the question now is, can we confirm our bull market with this breakout that we saw this week over our most important resistance levels? And why did we even pump that hard? I will talk about that in a second. As always, I would highly appreciate if you would smash up a like, don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss out on any future updates, because it is potentially finally time that we can start scaling up our swing long positions again, that we can look away from short hedge positions, that we can finally start opening up scaled long positions. But guys, let's wait for the confirmation as always, and first of all, let's talk about what really happened. Why was this price rally actually occurring? At the price level of around $30,600, we got the news that the DTCC actually listed the iShares Bitcoin Trust with the ticker symbol IBTC, the BlackRock ETF, for their company to handle all transactions. The DTCC is a centralized entity that is more or less acting as a bank for all of the different, and now I'm missing the English word, guys, for all of the different money flows and holding the assets for that ETF. This is the DTCC, it's a clearinghouse, and that's why a lot of people now expect that the Bitcoin ETF will actually get approved, because why would the DTCC, that would be handling all the transactions for that Bitcoin ETF in a centralized manner, why would they list this IBTC iShares ETF now already if it would not be expected to get approved, right? So now the FOMO is massive. The people are expecting that this Bitcoin ETF will go live in a short amount of time. The people are expecting a massive rally, and yes, it is very positive. The most positive thing is that if we can hold this price level till the end of the week, we definitely left all these important resistances behind us. The only thing we don't want to see now is any negative news coming out that would push the price below the $31,200 level once again, because then we would have a massive fake out, and we would at the end of the day have again the potential of forming a triple top here, which would definitely not be the end of this bear market then, right? So we definitely want to hope here for the best that the Bitcoin ETF gets approved. For sure, we have also the scenario then that everybody expects that the Bitcoin ETF will just skyrocket the price to new all-time highs instantly. That's why people are buying right now. And if then the price doesn't skyrocket instantly to new all-time highs, right, it is possible that people will start selling also again. So we have a few different scenarios where even this Bitcoin ETF, with all the hype that it's getting right now, could be a buy the rumors, sell the news event, which the markets also love sometimes, because a lot of times the actual release of the news makes a lot of people buy into the hype. They expect something massive to happen as soon as the news comes reality, and then if this reality doesn't happen because everyone already bought prior to the news and people are disappointed in the performance, they might actually sell, and then we see a price collapse into the different direction on the actual release of the hyped news. So that's why we need to anyways be a little bit careful. We need to keep an eye on the charts, but I really hope that we can hold above this very important price level within the next couple of days. As soon as we actually form chart patterns on the smaller time frames, I will update you on what to expect next. If we need to expect the retest of our important support and resistance levels, if we need to expect that Bitcoin will just skyrocket higher for now into the direction of the $40,000, especially our $47,200 to $48,000 level, where our 0.618 Fibonacci retracement is here on the weekly time frame. This is pretty much the last resistance level that we would need to then cross to the upside in the next couple of months to leave this bear market behind and actually enter into a massive new bull run with new all-time highs, $100,000 Bitcoin price, and so on. But for now, guys, let's just wait for all of that to happen. I will scale up my swing long positions for the first time in ages when we are closing this weekly candle here above. If we're closing it above, I will not even wait for the retest for now. I mean, on the retest and the confirmed breakout to the upside, I would even scale up more. But for now, I will just scale up instantly, because I really have to say, if we leave this resistance now behind us, it is very likely that Bitcoin might just skyrocket higher to actually the $47,000, $40,000 level, and I want to be positioned in the market with scaled up swing long positions, because as you know, I've been talking about that for months. In the past, I always said everything below $20,000 is a low leverage swing long opening scenario for me. 5 to 3x leverage, keep some margin on the side to scale up your position, to keep your liquidation price below the $14,000. Why below the $14,000? Because I said for months and months, I expect that the Bitcoin bottom will be in between $16,000 to $14,000, and exactly that also happened. Exactly as we also predicted, the bear market bottom in 2018 at the $3,200 to $3,400 level, which also exactly happened. So once again, it looks like I can pat myself on the shoulder for once again predicting a perfect bear market bottom, which is not so easy, but we did it, and we have our swing long positions positioned in the market and our hodl portfolio, so we definitely want to scale up as soon as we have here confirmed breakout to really be prepared with big swing longs in the next run up. We need to be a little bit careful with funding fees and everything like that. We need to keep an eye on that. And also quick shout out here to my friend Crypto Kid. Actually, you can find him on Twitter or on YouTube. He actually posted this here on Twitter beautifully with the iShares DTCC announcement, right? When this got public, he perfectly posted when that got posted, and you can see the massive price impact it really had on the markets right now. But now guys, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to join my free Discord community. As you know, we have the video tutorials in English, we have the leaderboard prizes of thousands of dollars. Now with the bull run potentially coming up, I can most likely also increase these leaderboard prizes dramatically actually, so keep an eye on that. Maybe we can increase the amount of 50 people to 200 people or something like that. We can increase the lucky draws by a lot probably next month, so make use of the reduced fees you are getting when joining my community, all the sign-up bonuses, all the monthly leaderboard prizes, and also all the people that are sharing their opinions, their news in the community actively, and also their charts, so you don't miss out on any updates here in the immediate short term. More eyes can see more than only two eyes, right? But now guys, I hope you enjoyed. The link to my free Discord community is at the very top of the video description, cryptomode.io. It's completely for free. It stays completely for free. You are only receiving a massive amount of benefits, so make use of that. And now I would say we are going to see us in the next video. Till then, bye. Bye.